Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Hope you are very fine. Now we are going to learn about major words with uncountable noun. We use major words before uncountable noun. We can add major words before an uncountable noun. The second rule is major words are related to container, length, weight, shape, and weight. All these things are related to major words. We can make major words by these things: container, length, weight, shape, and weight. So we will see some examples of different types of major words that we can use with uncountable noun. These are not a complete list. If we read a good grammar book, you can have a lot more major words that you can learn later on, and if you use a dictionary, you can learn many major words. But these are the sample examples for learning major words and get a good idea about major words. So we can start now. The first one is container based major words. Container means a container is something that contains another things. So first example is a bottle of milk. So bottle is a container that contains milk inside it. Like in this way, we have make a major word a bottle of milk. Milk is uncountable noun. We cannot we cannot use an or any numeral or any quantity with this milk and this uncountable noun, but we can use a major word, a bottle of milk. So next example, 2 glasses of water. Glass is also a container. We keep water in a glass or take water in a glass. And a bag of rice. Bag is a container. 3 jars of sugar. Jar is also a container. A cup of tea is it's a very common container that we use every morning or when we are at office or at home in our living room. You pour tea in a cup, that is a container, and we sip at the hot tea and enjoy the cup of tea. Portion based. A portion is not whole thing, part of the thing, and that is used to make a major word. A slice of bread, not the whole bread, it is a slice. We have sliced the bread and take a piece, that is the slice of bread. 2 pieces of furniture. 2 pieces of furniture. Here is important thing. Many people make mistakes with the furniture. They think that furniture is a countable noun, but no, furniture is not a countable noun. We can't make it plural, and we have to use a major word before furniture. But items of furniture are countable. For example, bed, closets, wardrobe, sofa, chair, table, these are countable, but furniture itself is uncountable noun. So you can say a piece of furniture or a piece of furniture or an item of furniture. Okay. A heap of earth. Earth is something clay or sand, and heap is a large pile. So large pile of earth, that is a heap of earth. A pinch of salt. Pinch, this is pinch. You can pinch someone's skin or your skin. That is pinch, and when you take some salt inside your pinch, that is called a pinch of salt. Length based. When we say how measure how long something is, that is length. And length based, foot. A foot of water. Foot is a unit for measuring length. And then 2 yards of string. String is used for binding something. 2 yards. Yard means yard is equal to 3 feet. So yard is a unit for measuring length. 2 yards of string. A mile of cable. Cable is something like a string, but it is used for flowing electricity or network cable, maybe network cable or electricity cable. A mile of cable, 5 acres. Sorry, another major words. Area based. Area based. One example: 5 acres of land. Acres is a unit for measuring area or land. 5 acres of land. Volume based major word: a liter of petrol. Liter is a unit for measuring volume of liquid substances. That is, a liter of milk, a liter of petrol, liter of milk, a liter of water. Then weight based. So weight based, a pound of butter. Pound is a unit for measuring weight. 3 tons of wheat. A ton is also a major word for measuring weight of something. Abstract qualities. Abstract means not physical, not concrete, is related to idea. A piece of information. You can't count information. It is uncountable noun, so you have to say in this way: a piece of information. An item of news. News is also seems to be plural noun, but news is an uncountable noun. Bit of luck. A word of advice. An attack of influenza. Influenza is a disease, so we use an attack of a major word before it. Some special major words. Some special major words go with some special noun, uncountable noun. A blade of grass. Blade, very interesting. Blade is something sharp to cut something, but why it is used? Why it is used with grass? That is very interesting. It's actually a single leaf of grass that is called a blade of grass. Sometimes some grass, cut your skin if you don't carefully handle the grass. Very sharp grass leaves we sometimes see around us. A blade of grass. A sheet of paper. A pile of rubbish. A speck of dust. It's also very interesting. Speck, something very small spot or very small unit that we can't see by our open eyes. That is a speck of dust. A lump of sugar. A lump of sugar. A load of hay. Hay means dry grass. Load of coal. These are the major words that we have look over now. These are very useful, very easy. I think if you remember these major words, you can use when you speak or when you write. I think it will be very much beneficial for you to understand and to realize, and sometimes to memorize. And it will be you will feel easy when you use these words with major words, these uncountable noun with major words. So that's it today. Thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share or comment on my video. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.